Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create Character.AI account on PC. So for that, what you need to do is click open a new tab, and there on the search bar, you need to type in beta.character.ai and press enter. Once you do that, you will see this in the screen. Here, you need to go and click on accept. This will open the official web page. Character.AI is a character that creates using artificial intelligence technology. It is a latest modern technologies where it includes natural language processing model, machine vision, speech to text, and other computer models. They work to mimic the dynamic and social nature of human interaction. So once you're at the official web page, you need to go and click on sign up over here. Click that. So here you will have the option to create your account through Google, Facebook, Discord, Apple, and email. If you tap on these options over here like Google, Facebook, Discord, Apple, your account will be created by just one click, as this will connect your Character.AI account and the social media platform. We're going to go with the email process. So type in the email address, then type in the password, then click on continue. Character.AI, please verify your email address to continue. So you need to go and click open your email first. Click open Gmail on a new tab. Once you open the Gmail, you can see the email on top. Click open that, and there you need to click on the option confirm my account. Click on it. This will confirm your account. It will redirect to the web page. You are almost ready to begin to and create character. So you need to type in a username. So just provide a username for your account. And then you need to click on this option. I understand and agree to these policies. Click that and then click on join character. As you can see, the username is already existed, so you need to provide a different one. I'm gonna make few changes over here and then click on join character. And with that, you will have yourself a account. There's your profile over here on the top. So this is a way how you can create a Character.AI account for yourself. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.